So the first question here, they are saying we find the time taken to reach P. So if you can see in the question, they have given us the velocity, and the velocity here looks like this. This is the velocity we've been given. Okay, so we have that as a velocity, and this is the key. This is the key, okay? So to find time taken, okay, uh, to reach P, we have to equate this velocity to 0. So we say 3t minus t squared is equals to 0. This is question A, okay? So now, once we do this, we can solve, okay? So we factor out t, we remain with 3 minus t right here, which is equals to 0. T is equals to 0, and 3 minus t is also equals to 0. So here we have found the value of t, which is equals to 0. The value of t here is 3 right here. So 3 seconds and 0 right there. So for question 1, these are the two solutions. Now for question A. Question B, they want us to find acceleration. So for acceleration, we'll get this same velocity or this same function. We differentiate it. So we say dv dt, which will be equal to 3 minus 2t right here. We just differentiate this. Okay, find the derivative of v, which is here. So we say dv over dt, at which point t is equals to 3 seconds. Because here they said the acceleration at p, and we know at point p the time was 3 seconds. So we can plug in the value of t here and solve. So remain with something like this, and our answer will be negative 3 meters per second squared. This is the acceleration, okay? So we go to the last question. The last question here, question C, they want us to find the distance, OP. So to find the distance, we are going to integrate this. Okay, we'll integrate this velocity, okay, with respect to t, and our lower limit will be a 0 and upper limit will be a 3, just like that. So it's very important you know the velocity. So here, when we integrate, we'll get this. This is what we are getting right here. And the limits, the upper limit is a 3, lower is a 2. So now we can work out things from there. We have 3, put a 3 where t is. This is how it will look like. And here we have actually, here it's supposed to be 3 because we integrated t, this t squared. We added a 1, it became 3, and we divided a 3 or this by 3 right here. So here, the lower limit, if you put this, will just be a 0 and a 0. So we'll just stick to the upper limit. We can work out things. Here we get a 27 over 2 minus 27 over, this is power 3, minus 27 over 3. So this is what we are getting. So lastly, we solve. When we solve, we find the lowest common denominator, which is a 2. Here we have 81 minus here we have a 3. 3 into 6 is 2. 2 by 27, it will be 54, such that when we finish up everything, we'll get our answer to be equal to 27 over 6. So we can even put meters. This is a distance. You can end here, or if you want, you can put it in a mixed fraction or decimal number. Thank you so much. We end right here.